Welcome to Intellify. What is a balanced chemical equation? Why should chemical equations be balanced? We are aware that when certain compounds undergo chemical changes, a chemical reaction has resulted. For example, when magnesium ribbon is kept outside, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. The reaction that takes place is as follows. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. That is, two substances get reacted, Mg and O2, to give one product. However, it does not end here. One must count the number of atoms on both sides, reactants and product, to see if they are equal. If the number of atoms remain the same, it is balanced. If not, it is then unbalanced, which means that the mass is not the same on both sides. So in short, how can we define a balanced equation? A balanced equation is an equation in which the number of atoms involved in the reactant side is equivalent to those in the product side. Is the above equation balanced? Let's see. First, count the number of atoms present in the reactant side. It is 3, while the number of atoms on the product side is 2. Since they are not equal, it is not a balanced equation and it has to be balanced further. Now getting to our next question, why should an equation be balanced? Well, for this we will have to recollect the law of conservation of mass. The law states that mass can never be created nor destroyed. They only get converted from one form to another. Therefore, it is necessary to have a balanced equation which abides by the law of conservation of mass. Chemical equations should be balanced because the mass of the reactants should be equal to the mass of the products formed. For example, in the above equation, it is not possible to have 2 atoms produced when 3 atoms were involved in the reaction. To abide by the law of conservation of mass, it is necessary to balance it. I hope it was easy for you to understand the concept. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Intellify for more such videos.